My eyebrows look so fresh, honey. So fresh and so clean. Hello everybody, I'm your girl Simonsays. Please do hit that subscribe button if you want to be part of the squad. We are growing, we are expanding, so make sure you're part of that day one. You know what I'm saying? As well as to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back every single time. Thank you for liking, thank you for commenting. I thank you guys so much. So let's get into this video, alright? Alright guys, so let's get into the equipment that I use, and you guys will possibly see there are some things that you already have or that you might also need to purchase on your end, but these are very affordable and things that you can find anywhere. So first off, I'm going to start with the razors. I love using this one. I actually got this razor from Miniso. This is an eyebrow razor specifically designed just for eyebrows. There is your little blade. And unfortunately, Miniso is not available where I stay. I don't know if it's still available by you guys. I don't know what happened. They just packed up and they left, and I haven't seen them since. But I'm glad I definitely picked this up, and I got extras luckily right before they had left. So these were also quite affordable, and I know you can actually get them at Chinatown, possibly like these beauty stores, town, maybe, you know, it's something that you would have to look for, but I think it is possible to find. This is just what I'm using for now, and I don't know what I'm going to use when I run out, because they do actually the blades actually do get less sharp, and it's not like you could sharpen them yourselves, maybe if you really wanted to, but yeah. So now I went ahead and purchased this big razor. This is just a standard razor that you guys are probably very familiar with, the silver ones. I purchased this for 5 Rand at a local spaza shop. I know that you can get them in packs. So definitely keep an eye out for those, and I know that there are quite a lot of companies that also do just razors alone, but Bic is obviously most reliable, most trusted, and usually the most available, especially around Gussie and spaza shops. Okay, so next I have a mirror. This is my hand mirror, and then I do have a standing mirror. This is actually just below here to my left, and this is just something that I like to keep on hand just so that I can obviously zoom in and see exactly what I'm doing without having to, you know, do too much or just guess. And then I have the standing mirror just in case I want to have a further view to see, okay, is it looking good? Is it? Okay. And then I have 2 cotton pads just to remove any excess hair or water. And then we go on to, I have a bowl over here that actually has hot water inside of it. I have been boiling this water quite a bit, and as you can see, it's not a lot, and I have a towel on top of it just trapping the heat. And I'm also going to use this to cover myself to really get the steaming going. And this is also optional, but I find the best results happen when I steam first, during, and after I'm done with my eyebrows. Alright, so then we go on to a tweezer. This is something that you guys most likely have at home. If not, I know you can purchase these literally, like I said, anyway. The one that I'm using is QVS. This is a really good quality tweezer, and I really like it. It doesn't have anything special about it. It's literally just like a regular tweezer. So don't really focus on that. Just make sure that it has a good grip and that it is sharp enough for the areas that you are trying to fix up. And then lastly, I just have one of these. This is an eyebrow pencil. Yeah, like an eyebrow brush. I kind of use it for that. I'm not really into makeup and stuff, so I don't know if that's actually what you're supposed to use this for, but I find it really effective. I like that it has the comb on the side and then the brush on the side. This just works perfect for me. Oh my gosh, guys, I completely forgot one last thing. How could I? Oh my gosh, relief. I found it, guys. This is actually the last item. It is eyebrow scissors. As you can see, they're like curved. Yeah, so it just makes it easier for getting your eyebrows and stuff like that. I got these from Miniso, but like I said, guys, you can literally get these type of scissors anywhere. Just make sure that they have a curve and they work absolutely beautiful for your eyebrows. So now we can finally begin. Okay, I'm so excited because I haven't done my eyebrows in a minute. I really wanted them to grow out so that I could show you guys what they look like before and after. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now that we are up close and personal, we can dive in. Like I said, guys, steaming is only a recommendation, but it's highly recommended. Okay, I've got my towel ready and I've got my water. I'm just gonna add some more hot water because I have been talking for quite a bit, and obviously I had a little hiccup there, so I'm just gonna add more hot water. But if your hot water is perfectly fine, go ahead and start steaming. Okay, I'm out. Now it's time to go ahead with your little eyebrow brush, and you're just gonna brush everything out. So out and up. Try get it in like the most unnatural state of your eyebrows, but also in the way of how you would want to shape them. Okay. Now you take your scissors, and if you need your little comb or your little brush to help you here, do that. But basically you just want to remove any little extra long hairs that are not really supposed to be there, you know, that have kind of just grown out of shape, that are not helping the situation. And I also find that using the comb helps just to remove just enough, while still giving you room to play around, just in case you've done something you might regret. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay guys, and then you just want to do that again just to make sure you didn't skip anything. But if you're completely happy, then just move on. Ooh, yes, it's getting steamier, and I can already see a difference in my eyebrows, guys. Okay, so next up we're gonna go in with the razor. You can either use your eyebrow razor or these, whatever works for you guys. But I'm just gonna go in with this because, like I did say, I really did let my eyebrows grow out, so I know I'm gonna need some extra help. So now that I've got the razor, I'm just gonna go in like, and please also make sure not to cut yourself, guys. All right, so now I'm gonna take my cotton pad and just remove the hair. Some parts might actually just stick to your face because obviously it's wet, but just try remove it from the area that you're working on as much as possible. Wow, I already see such a difference. But I also see where I need to work on, which is good. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with my scissors again. Oh, guys, I'm right-handed, so I always struggle with the left side. Comment down below if you feel the same, or if you're doing this with me and your left side is just being difficult. Yeah, this left side is just not kicking it the same way I would love it to, but it's fine because I'm pretty sure they're not the same anyway. So who am I to be trying to make things the same when they're just not even? Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna go in with this little razor just to like clean up any little spots, nothing major, things that I've already worked on, but I just want to clean it up. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna go in with my little tweezer, and I just want to like focus on little areas that the razor couldn't reach. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna steam my face for the last time. Okay guys, so I'm almost done. I just want to steam my face for the last time. Now I'm gonna take a cotton pad. I'm just gonna wet it a little bit, and now I'm gonna go in and just remove all of that excess hair that just got left behind the first time around. And also make sure to be really gentle because your skin has just been exposed to a razor. You don't know if you've cut yourself or anything like that, so just be super careful and take your time. But yeah guys, that is me. Let me give the brows one last brush. And I really like doing my brows like this because I feel like it saves me time, you know? It looks full. Well, as you guys can see, I'm not a professional, but I did my best, and I really hope that this video was useful to you guys. I hope that you gained some knowledge and are able to do your eyebrows at home with the things that you have. Or if you would just like to go to someone that actually does this as they're living and just to help out during this corona time, it definitely would be appreciated. So yeah guys, alright guys, and that's it from me. As you guys saw, I'm definitely not a professional. I'm just doing what works for me. I hope this guys, 1, 2, 3. And that's it from me guys. As you guys saw though, I'm not a professional, so please do not take this as the Bible. I'm just doing what works for me, and if you guys find some tips or some knowledge or some information from this video, that is definitely a big thumbs up from me. So make sure you guys also give this video a big thumbs up. Until next time, bye.